I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English. To begin, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and the structure of your examinations. This foundational step helps you understand what to expect and how to prioritize your efforts. Next, create a balanced study schedule, dedicating specific time slots to literature, grammar, and writing. Consistent practice, even for just 30 minutes daily, is key to mastering the subject and building confidence. For literature and reading comprehension, active engagement is crucial. Don't just read, analyze. Highlight important passages, identify literary devices like metaphors and similes, and note down recurring themes. After reading, try to summarize the content in your own words, perhaps in a short paragraph of 50 to 75 words. Engaging in discussions with classmates or a study group can also offer new perspectives and deepen your appreciation for the texts. Improving your writing skills requires consistent effort. Practice writing essays, ensuring each has a strong introduction, well-developed body paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. Pay close attention to grammar rules, punctuation, and sentence structure. These elements significantly impact clarity. After writing, always take time to review and revise your work. Look for areas to improve flow, word choice, and overall coherence, aiming for at least 2 revisions per piece. To boost your vocabulary, make it a habit to learn at least 5 new words every day, understanding their meanings and usage. For exam preparation, solving previous year question papers is invaluable. Practice writing answers within the stipulated time limits to improve speed and accuracy. Finally, condense your study material into short, clear revision notes. These notes will be incredibly helpful for a quick and effective review just before your examinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.